AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 backup and restore transactions. It is possible to make both cloud and local backups via the control panel. To make a cloud backup, you must have our AKINSOFT backup program. Click the database menu on the control panel to make a local backup. From the backup area, click Backup Settings. You can make adjustments for your backup process in the window that opens. Select the folder you want to backup from the Backup Files directory field. You can set the automatic backup period from this area. With the default setting, it backs up automatically 3 times a day at the specified times. You can change these settings according to your preference. In the upper right corner, you can see the time of the last backup. Save it by clicking the Save button. As automatically backup is possible in the program, you can backup manually whenever you want. To do this, go to the backup area from the database menu and click the backup button. You can activate or deactivate the databases you want to backup from the database list that appears on the screen by clicking on the backup column. After making your selection, you can backup manually by clicking the Backup Now button. When you see the backup process is completed text, it is completed. If for any reason you want to restore a previous backup, click the Restore button from the backup menu again. After you're sure of the folder you will restore, click the List button. From the list that comes up, first click on the Şirket FTP database on the date you want to restore and click the Restore the selected file button. The control panel will log out and you should do the same to the other databases.